Hello, little girl. What brings you here today?
Well, I'm here to get my fortune.
Fortune, eh?
Yeah, I guess.
Your wish is my command. Your future holds something very sneaky.
Are you sure? Really? Oh no. I don't know about this, but if this is true, I really need to go prepare for it. Wow. This sneaky stuff is really freaking me out. But I really doubt that it's true. But for now, I'm a bit tired. I'm just gonna take a nap for a little bit and see what happens. Whew. I must have been tired. Oh, I'll just see what's on TV.
Hey Matt, I'm Trixie the Troll coming to you live from Madison's TV. You might know who I am, you might not, but you're gonna have some very interesting stuff coming from you. Ha 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 ha. You'll see me later.
No. Nope, this can't be happening. Trolls aren't real. This is just a mythical creature. The fortune teller did not do this. It's just not happening. Okay, I see where this troll is going with this. This means war. Okay, troll. See where you're going with this. This is war. I bet you're not prepared.
Oh, you think I'm not prepared too?
Oh. Okay, this is war. That's right, troll. I told you this was war. This is what you get. Okay guys, hope you guys like my skit this week, and to get a possible shout out in my next week's video, comment down below a mythical creature that you wish was real. And for example, like a unicorn, a mermaid, something like that. And here are the shout outs from last week. I'll see you guys next week. Stay classy, you two.